Like that, like that. There's all different compartments. You can buy your cool drinks, alcohol here. All different compartments. As you can see, it's gonna be an amazing adventure today. See, remember the old trains, guys.
You want to walk down there?
Yes, thank you. Look at this. The old trains, you can see 6 people, 3 people, so on and so on. These are the tables that opens up. Opens up. You can have your food there. Okay. There. Got a long train. It happens once a month.
Smile.
It happens once a month, and then on school holidays they also got. On school holidays they also got. They do it every week. Every week, but it's not as big as this. Only special occasions. Then they make it bigger. The coaches, they extend the coaches.
Are you passing?
Yes.
Okay.
If I can, please. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. See, this is three people sit here. Amazing, and there's a bed here. Remember, could put the bed down, and that's the bed down. The bed here, 2 people. The old trains and the storage unit there. Awesome. Awesome. See. What do you think, guys? I'm taking you back to the old times. So this is the dining area. So you book all compartments. They differ, the different prices. Like I said, first class, second class, like that. And then the kiosk. Let's go further. Now we're going to another compartment. That's how we sit. Come. Okay, we're going to the lounge over here. Morning. So this is the different settings. Lounge. Sorry. Okay, they all got names on them because they're pre-booked. They booked all different. All different settings. Morning. And this is sort of like a lounge area where you can come and also chill here. And then this area.
Oh, sorry, my dear.
It's okay. And then this side. And then this part. And then there's this part. Morning. How are you? Good, good. Can I just go through?
Yeah, you can go right through.
Oh, I can go right through here. Okay. There's music. I'm scared of the music. So here is the tuck shop.
Yes, this is the bar actually.
The bar.
What small thing is we, and then we have a second bar. The tuck shop is
At the back.
at the front actually.
At the front. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tandi van der Fefa, originally from Zimbabwe. Welcome to Southern Cape Railway. Welcome to Hartenbos. This is Hartenbos. And I'm going on this epic adventure of train adventure. This is the train. It's a nostalgic adventure. This train is going to take us from here in Hartenbos to Albertinia. It's a whole day trip. It's a whole day trip, so amazing. I'm gonna go in and show you inside. Don't know which one is better, which side is better. I'm gonna go in and show you inside what is happening. It's a whole day trip. Yeah. It's a steam train engine. It started in 1989 by a man called Errol Eskrom. He identified the need to operate the steam train for tourists. The train had been out of use for many years, and then it was beautifully restored into this beautiful place. Beautiful thing, train for passengers, for tourists. It's got first class, second class, bar, lounge, VIP coach. Oh, it's amazing. Come with me. Let's explore this train together. Let me just go in and show you. So these, you remember the old trains, passenger trains. These are compartments. Morning. These are different compartments. Some they sit 3, some they sit 6. Morning. Like that, like that. Okay. This side is the bar. There's music. I'm not gonna go in there.
Waar is hy Marius?
Hy staan in die trein. Kom net van
Jy vat so 3 uur. Ja, 3 is eintlik langer. Gaan amper hierso kan ek sê 4-5 ure eintlik. Want onthou, jy ons is by die skool.
Sorry, it's okay. See, oh. So, this is it, guys.
Ek gaan nou by die wild
See, all different compartments. Okay, let's go to the end. It's a beautiful, epic adventure. This is This is how it looks like. Train, quite a long train. It's a whole day adventure. This is it. Welcome to Hartenbos, guys, South Africa. I'm going on to this train adventure. Okay, come with me. Let's see what's gonna happen here. I booked late, so it's all different prices, different refreshments are sold inside, so you don't have to pack anything. Refreshments will be served inside, as you saw, the bars and okay.
So sorry.
Can I ask you to hold for me and show them? It's recording.
Is it recording?
Albertinia. This is where we stop the train in Albertinia, yes. And then we're gonna go back. This is where we stop, and then we're gonna go back and see to the next stop. What do you think, guys? This takes you back to the olden days when there was passenger trains. This is a glimpse of the old passenger train that's been revamped. Yeah. So now the head is going to the front because we're moving backwards now. We're going back. So the engine to the front now because we're moving back. Welcome to Albertinia. This is Albertinia. Yeah, these are the big silos. Huge. This is the head. Atlantic Rail. See, guys, we stopped right now. We stopped in the middle of nowhere, waiting to proceed to our next destination, which is the game farm. Yeah. Keep coming with me, guys. Keep coming. Don't be left out. We're exploring together today. Keep coming. We're exploring. We just stopped here in the middle of nowhere. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of this old train. It's supposed to be steam train, but it's diesel. It's diesel. It's a diesel train. Let me know what you think of this old passenger train that was converted into a tourist adventure train. Come with me. He's still going. He's still going. The journey is still long. He's still got a lot to do, a lot to see. Okay. Just leave it.
I don't know how to do it.
Leave it, I see it happen. It's taking. Yeah. Okay, now, so we're off the train. We're off the train. Now we're going on for a game drive. Come guys, come, welcome to Atlantic Rail. Welcome to Atlantic Rail. Now we're off the train and we're going onto the game drive. Going for a game drive. Come with me.
Game drive! Anybody else did game drive?
What? Are we supposed?
Nee, raas ons hulle gaan nou nog karre opbring. Hulle gaan die eerste lot af.
Yes, I think we game drive.
You doing game drive?
Yes, I think so.
What name are you booked under?
Tandy van der Fever.
Yeah, I don't have you on my list now. Did you get a voucher?
Yes. Oh, there by the entrance. As we checked it.
Yeah, you have to get a voucher for the game drive.
Oh no, okay.
Game drive? Game drive, yes. Tour.
Okay, no. No. Apparently, it's not.
What?
Nog mensen voor game drive?
There's no voucher.
Geboekt het bij mij alsjeblieft.
I'm starving. I just need to go where there's food. I'm so sorry. I get all the oops. The game drives are the same, isn't it?
Yeah.
The game farms. Similar. Camping here. Here's the food. It's not there yet. Wait there. So can I just get this? Sweet chili. There's my food here. I didn't know it was coming like this. Okay. Mac and cheese. Yours is still coming. They ran out. Yeah. Same.
Iemand anders iets behalve brisket?
Schaapstakjes.
What? That's brisket, eh?
No, that's
What's that?
scalp steakies. Sheep tail.
That's sheep tail, huh? That's sheep tail. So you're gonna have to wait for your food. No. Here's my lunch.
Nou as jy die skaapstertjies eet, kan ek so op 'n staartjie kry.
I'm having mac and cheese, guys. Very nice. The vegetarian option. Because I've decided I'm not having meat anymore, so that's my lunch. Mac and cheese. So this is the setting, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's the bridge there that we went through. We went through that bridge by train. It's such a high bridge. Can you see, guys? Okay, had lunch. I'm so full. I'm so full now. I've had lunch, having my Coke just for energy. And yeah, while we wait for other people, they've gone for the game drive. Unfortunately, we didn't do the game drive. I didn't do the game drive because I booked late. I booked my ticket late, so I couldn't get through to the game drive. Anyway, it's a lovely setting. Regardless of not doing the game drive, it's a lovely setting. It's a lovely day spent. Train, guys. Okay, thank you guys for coming with. This is the end of our adventure, today's adventure. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this epic adventure. It's the whole day adventure. Let me know if you've done such an adventure before. This is Hardenbos, South Africa. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you and may God bless you.
Mario, Leticia. I put in a song. Yeah.